Antarctica, a continent shrouded in ice, a land of extremes. Antarctica is a place of stark beauty and harsh conditions, where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, and the landscape is dominated by ice and snow. Larger than Europe and Australia combined, this frozen expanse is a testament to the power and majesty of nature. Its sheer size and isolation make it one of the most unique places on Earth. It holds within its frozen grasp a staggering 90% of the world's fresh water. This immense reservoir is crucial for maintaining the balance of our planet's water cycle. This frozen reservoir plays a critical role in regulating our planet's climate, acting as a natural thermostat. The ice reflects sunlight, helping to keep global temperatures in check, acting as an immense mirror reflecting sunlight back into space, thus moderating global temperatures. Without this reflective surface, our planet would absorb more heat, leading to a warmer climate. However, this frozen giant is not invincible. The ice that defines Antarctica is under threat from rising global temperatures. The very ice that defines Antarctica is under threat, susceptible to the warming touch of climate change. As temperatures rise, the ice begins to melt at an alarming rate. Scientists warn of a future where rising temperatures could trigger catastrophic melting, leading to a cascade of environmental changes. Scientists warn of a future where rising temperatures could trigger catastrophic melting, unleashing consequences that would ripple across the globe. The impact of such changes would be felt far beyond the icy shores of Antarctica, unleashing consequences that would ripple across the globe. The melting ice would contribute to rising sea levels, affecting coastal communities worldwide. The potential consequences are as vast as the continent itself. Sea levels would rise, swallowing coastlines and displacing millions of people, swallowing coastlines and redrawing the map of the world as we know it. The loss of land would have profound implications for human settlements and natural habitats. The delicate balance of global ocean currents, responsible for regulating weather patterns, could be thrown into disarray. These currents play a crucial role in distributing heat and nutrients around the planet. Responsible for regulating weather patterns, these currents could be disrupted, leading to more extreme and unpredictable weather events, could be thrown into disarray. The resulting changes in weather patterns could have far-reaching effects on agriculture, water resources, and ecosystems. The fate of Antarctica is inextricably linked to our own. What happens in this remote corner of the world has a direct impact on the rest of the planet. Understanding the forces at play in this remote corner of the world is not just a scientific pursuit, but a matter of global importance. The research conducted here is vital for predicting and mitigating the impacts of climate change, but a matter of global importance. The knowledge gained from studying Antarctica can help us make informed decisions to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Deep within West Antarctica lies a glacier of immense size and even greater significance, Thwaites Glacier, often referred to as the Doomsday Glacier. This colossal ice mass has captured the attention of scientists and environmentalists worldwide due to its potential impact on global sea levels and climate patterns. This behemoth, larger than the state of Florida, is currently retreating at an alarming rate, shedding billions of tons of ice into the ocean each year. The rapid melting and retreat of Thwaites Glacier are clear indicators of the accelerating effects of climate change. The nickname Doomsday Glacier is not given lightly. It underscores the potential catastrophic consequences of its collapse, which could be felt far beyond the icy confines of Antarctica. Thwaites acts as a linchpin, holding back vast reserves of ice further inland. If it were to give way, the resulting ice flow could dramatically increase the rate of ice loss from the entire West Antarctic ice sheet. Its collapse could trigger a cascade effect, leading to the destabilization of the entire West Antarctic ice sheet. This would not only contribute to rising sea levels but also alter oceanic and atmospheric circulation patterns. Such an event would have profound consequences for the entire planet. Coastal cities and communities around the world would face unprecedented challenges as sea levels rise, leading to increased flooding, erosion, and displacement of populations. Sea levels would rise dramatically, inundating coastal communities and displacing millions. The economic and social impacts of such displacement would be immense, affecting livelihoods, infrastructure, and ecosystems. The influx of fresh water into the ocean could disrupt ocean currents and marine ecosystems. This disruption could have cascading effects on global weather patterns, marine biodiversity, and fisheries. The fate of Thwaites Glacier serves as a stark reminder of the of our planet's systems. the changes occurring in this remote part of the world have far-reaching implications for the global climate and environment. What happens in Antarctica does not stay in Antarctica. The ripple effects of Thwaites Glacier's changes are felt across the globe, highlighting the urgent need for collective action to address climate change. Imagine a world where coastlines vanish beneath rising seas, where the familiar landscapes we know are transformed beyond recognition. In this world, iconic cities become modern-day Atlantises, submerged and lost to the depths. This is the potential future we face if all of Antarctica's ice were to melt. While this scenario is currently outside of most scientific projections, it serves as a stark illustration of the immense scale of change possible. The ice sheets of Antarctica hold about 60% of the world's fresh water, and their complete melting would be catastrophic. Sea levels would surge by an estimated 70 meters, a staggering figure that would redraw the map of our planet. Coastal regions would be the first to feel the impact, but the effects would ripple across the globe. Coastal cities, home to a significant portion of the global population, would be inundated. Major economic hubs, cultural landmarks, and residential areas would be lost. Entire nations, particularly low-lying island nations, would disappear beneath the waves. These communities, already vulnerable, would face existential threats. The consequences extend far beyond the immediate impact of flooding. Infrastructure would be destroyed, economies would be disrupted, and ecosystems would be irreparably damaged. Saltwater intrusion would contaminate freshwater sources, impacting agriculture and drinking water supplies. This would lead to food shortages and health crises. The displacement of millions would lead to humanitarian crises on an unprecedented scale. Refugee populations would swell, and the strain on resources and infrastructure would be immense. While the complete melting of Antarctica's ice remains a distant possibility, even a fraction of that melt would have severe consequences. The changes we are already seeing are a warning of what could come. The melting we are already witnessing is contributing to rising sea levels, and the potential for further, more rapid melting is a very real threat. It is a call to action for us to address climate change before it is too late. In the depths of our planet, there exist ecosystems so hidden and intricate, they often go unnoticed. These ecosystems, teeming with life, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our environment. From the dense forests to the deep oceans, each ecosystem is a world of its own, interconnected and interdependent. By uncovering these hidden gems, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet and the delicate threads that hold it together. As we continue to explore and exploit our natural resources, we are faced with the stark reality of our actions. The consequences of deforestation, pollution, and climate change are becoming increasingly apparent. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are just a few of the signs that our planet is in distress. It's a sobering reminder that our actions have far-reaching impacts, and it's up to us to make a change. In the face of these challenges, adaptation becomes essential. Communities around the world are finding innovative ways to cope with the changing environment. From sustainable farming practices to renewable energy sources, humans are proving to be remarkably resilient. By embracing new technologies and rethinking our relationship with nature, we can create a sustainable future for generations to come. The responsibility to protect our planet lies with each and every one of us. By making conscious choices, advocating for change, and supporting conservation efforts, we can safeguard our future. It's a collective effort that requires dedication and commitment. Together, we can ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving home for all living beings.